Is the following series convergent or divergent series? Have you seen any pattern here? Have you recognized any pattern? Well, I remind myself of a geometric series, the summation of a times r to power n minus 1 and start from 1 goes to infinity. It also can be written as the summation of a r to power n times r to power negative 1 and start from 1 to infinity. So I can rewrite this as a divided by r times n, r raised to power n and start from 1 goes to infinity. So this is a geometric series in the nature, right? And remind yourself, if the ratio or r has the following property, absolute value of r is less than 1, or your r is bounded between negative 1 and 1, then this series is convergent to a divided by 1 minus r. So do we recognize a pattern like this or not? Take a look. I tried to rewrite this series. First of all, this can be written as the summation of 5 times 1 over pi to power n starts from 1 goes to infinity. Also, it can be written as the summation of 5 times 1 over pi to power n starts from 1 goes to infinity. All right. So what about now? Do I recognize any pattern here? If you write the sum of the series, this is going to be 5 times 1 over pi plus 5 times 1 over pi squared plus 5 times 1 over pi to power 3 plus the rest of the terms. This is basically a geometric series. But what is the ratio here? If you factor out your 5, this guy becomes 5 times 1 over pi plus 1 over pi squared plus factor of 5 plus 1 over pi to power 3 plus the rest of the terms. So basically, the very first term is representing your a, and the ratio is equal to 1 over pi. But if I take the absolute value of r, this is absolute value of 1 over pi. Pi is just a number, positive number, and it is indeed less than 1. So what's the meaning of that? You're going to say that since the ratio r, or 1 over pi, is less than 1, more than negative 1, so the geometric series is a convergent series. But where does it go? All right. So this can be written as 5, and your geometric series is convergent to a divided by 1 minus r. Your 5 is multiplied by a, which is 1 over pi, divided by 1 minus 1 over pi. You can simplify this further, doing a little bit of algebra. So you have a 5 times 1 over pi divided by pi minus 1 over pi. So we can get rid of the common denominator here. And this is equal to 5 divided by pi minus 1. You can see this number by using a calculator to approximate. But your geometric series is convergent to 5 divided by pi minus 1. So it is a convergent series. Our goal always is to find a pattern. As long as you feel comfortable finding the pattern, then you should be fine. You can rewrite the series to find the ratio, and then you can write some terms to find the initial value, and then find the ratio, which in this case is 1 over pi. And then it is convergent to 5 times a divided by 1 minus r. Don't forget to multiply by 5 as well.